The ASUS NUC 14 Pro Plus Mini PC delivers flagship performance in an incredibly compact silver aluminum chassis. This full-system powerhouse features the Intel 14 Gen4 Ultra 9185H processor that dominates demanding professional applications and creative workflows. The included 32GB DDR5 RAM handles intensive multitasking without compromising responsiveness. American professionals appreciate the blazing fast 1TB PCIe Gen4x4 NVMe SSD that provides instant boot times and rapid file access. Thunderbolt 4 connectivity enables high-speed data transfer and external GPU expansion for versatile workflow possibilities. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed for immediate productivity without additional software purchases. The premium silver aluminum construction dissipates heat efficiently while maintaining an elegant aesthetic for modern workspaces. VESA mount compatibility allows discrete placement behind monitors or under desks to maximize valuable desktop real estate. Compact dimensions fit comfortably in crowded workstations, home offices, and mobile setups without sacrificing capability. Intel's advanced Core Ultra architecture delivers exceptional performance per watt for energy-conscious professionals. The robust thermal design maintains stability during sustained workloads without excessive fan noise disrupting concentration. Multiple USB ports and display outputs support diverse peripherals and multi-monitor configurations for expanded productivity. Whether powering through video editing, software development, or data analysis, this mini PC exceeds expectations. The integrated graphics handle professional applications and light creative work without requiring dedicated GPU space. Professional build quality ensures reliable operation through years of demanding daily use. The ASUS NUC 14 Pro Plus represents Taiwanese engineering excellence adapted for American professional environments that demand maximum performance in minimal spaces.